My freshman year I tried out for softball and I made varsity. And then I also tried out for soccer as well and I made varsity. And then I actually didn't play basketball until my sophomore year, and I did make varsity as well with that. I participated in WHAM, which is We Are Mehlville, and then National Honor Society as well. My favorite part would probably be just meeting all the new friends and just kind of having that family that I can rely on with teachers and just peers that I can look up to and that they can look up to me and stuff, and just ultimately grow. I actually signed for a scholarship for soccer, $18,000 per year at Stevens College. I'm going into nursing as well, so that would just be a big push in the right direction.